Hey Ron, I got your email about how do you add a placeholder for your student's first name and last name and perhaps period as well. So I'm going to show you right now how to do that. Essentially, you're just adding a new question, and if you're making it a quiz, make sure there's no points or anything assigned to it. Well, unless you want to. So in this form that we started yesterday, notice there's no name or first name or last name here. So what we're going to do is you click this little plus button right here, and you'll notice the new question box popped up here. So here's where the question would be first name. And then you want it to be a short answer, and then they would just type their name in here. And I always make that required. And then if you want their last name, you'll click that little plus button again. And then the question would be last name. And it changes automatically to short answer. And this is where they would put their last name. And now whenever they go to complete the form, here I would choose my period, and I would be putting my first name and last name. All right, hope that helps.